there's a band of white gold and a band of yellow gold. And as the band of white gold gets smaller, the band of yellow gold gets bigger. And so for us, that means when one of us is kind of needing some extra support and strength, the other one is always there. My name is Jim Lawser. I'm voting no because, well, for several reasons, but I think the most important reason for me is that I've spent a lot of my life being a second class citizen. And when we were married in Canada, I realized that in Canada and many other countries, I can be a first class citizen. And I realized that there's an opportunity for me to get the same rights and responsibilities as everyone else. Um, a good example of that was when we first went to Canada to get married, and I walked up to the immigration official, and they always ask why you're coming, business or pleasure or whatever. And I said, I'm coming to get married. No, I said we. And so he said, what we? There's only you. And so I motioned to Duane. And so the official said, come on over. And he wanted us to go through together because he saw us as a family. And so we went through immigration together as a family, and the whole week was wonderful. And then we went back to the U.S. and went through separately because we're no longer a family. And so I think that was a very telling experience for me because we had tried it before in other countries and been told that one of us would have to go back. Even when they asked who packed the bags, if we said we packed them together, they didn't have a response for that. You have to pack your bags separately because you're not a family. And we frankly couldn't remember. So, no, we knew that we were going to get that, so we don't even bother. But it's still hurtful. Still really hurtful.
My name is Duane Bandel. My partner and I have been together for 25 years this month. And in 2002, I became very ill. I was rushed by ambulance to the emergency room near death, and luckily for us, just 2 weeks prior to this, we had gone in and had legal paperwork done, including power of attorney and healthcare directive. When I got to the hospital, the doctor wouldn't talk to my partner Jim until he could produce the legal paperwork to show that everything was in order. If we hadn't had that done, the doctor wouldn't have been able to talk to him legally because he is not considered next of kin. Well, after 50 years of this, I'm kind of used to it, but at the same time, knowing that our relationship is not recognized after 25 years together, it gets a little tiring and old that we have to keep producing legal documents. We had to pay a lawyer to have these documents drawn up, where a straight couple does not necessarily have to do that. So it gets old, but at the same time, it's something we've just kind of grown accustomed to. To actually be able to marry in our home state and have the people we care about there to witness our marriage, that would be incredible. To have people that care about us see us get married and understand that our relationship is meaningful, that we are a real couple.